Hi everyone, I'm Jose Ciandre, the proud owner of Made in the Shade. With years of experience in window treatments, I'm here to share some insider tips on what not to do if you want to keep your home looking stylish. Today's video is all about avoiding the top 6 window treatment mistakes that designers say can instantly make a room look tacky. Let's start with a common mistake. Short drapes. Always ensure you measure correctly. Short drapes can make your windows look stunted, while longer drapes add a touch of elegance. Always measure the distance from the floor to avoid this error. Next, vertical blinds. While once popular, they can scream outdated. Instead, consider options like Roman shades or sleek roller blinds, which are perfect, even for renters looking to upgrade without major alterations. Presentation matters. Wrinkled drapes can ruin the look of a room. Make sure to iron your drapes for a fresh, clean appearance. A quick tip: use a handheld garment steamer for hassle-free care. Rod placement is crucial in enhancing a room's height and width. Hanging curtains closer to the ceiling and extending rods beyond the window frame can make a room appear larger and more inviting. Avoid high-sheen fabrics. They can be overwhelming and clash with room decor. Opt for matte or textured materials, which are more versatile and sophisticated. Finally, heavy valances. They tend to date a room. For modern aesthetics, minimalist is the way to go. Choose sleek lines and lighter fabrics to enhance natural light. And there you have it. Avoid these 6 missteps to keep your home looking chic. Please remember to subscribe for more design inspiration, and feel free to drop your questions in the comments below. And as always, design fearlessly.